కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్. సో తన హార్డ్ వర్క్ కి కంప్లీట్ గా మంచి రిజల్ట్ అయితే వచ్చింది. అయితే తనకంటే ఎక్కువ మీరు టెన్షన్ పడినట్టున్నారు.
హస్బెండ్ అయితే చాలా టెన్షన్ పడ్డారు సార్.
టెన్షన్ అప్పుడు రాలేదు. టెన్షన్ ఆఫ్టర్ గెటింగ్ మెయిన్స్ హౌ మచ్ హీల్ స్కోర్ ఇన్ అడ్వాన్స్ వాజ్ ద టెన్షన్. బిఫోర్ మెయిన్స్ దెర్ వాజ్ నో టెన్షన్, సో దెర్ వాజ్ నో ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్. ఆఫ్టర్ okay scored good in mains, then we had expectation how does it convert to advance.
సెకండ్ అటెంప్ట్ కొంచెం మూడ్ ఆఫ్ అయ్యాము.
More of no, we expected that in second attempt it will be below 200 rank.
2 days స్లీప్ స్టోరీ ఏదో విన్నా ఎగ్జామ్ కి ముందు 2 days
అది మీరు అక్కడ విన్న స్టోరీ. ఇంటికి వచ్చినాక ఇంకా విచిత్రమైన వేషాలు వేసాడు. లేవగానే కూర్చొని ఈ సినిమాల గురించి మాట్లాడుతాడు. ఈ సినిమాలో వీని క్యారెక్టర్ ఏంది, వాడు ఏం డైలాగ్ మాట్లాడాడు, what are the upcoming movies. He was talking all that. He was not
Relaxing. Completely.
To celebrate this success, we have our Managing Director of Resonance Educational Institution, who is Mr. Purna Chandra Rao Garu. Being a director, how do you feel that your student has got such a wonderful rank?
It's a reward for his hard work, his consistency and the teachers' efforts. So because JEE Advanced exam is not a regular exam where everybody can score marks kind of thing. So because leaving the success rate and all these things also, it needs a lot of commitment. So usually they're just saying that okay, people who crack JEE Advanced is people who are staying in the race till the end. There are very, very few, even though lakhs of people on paper, you look like a competition, 15 lakh people competing and all these things. But finally these 25,000 students, more than any other quality, these people maintain the temperament till the end. So, and that too coming in the top ranks among these, like the best of the best, is definitely a proud moment for all of us. And we are very happy that their hard work is finally giving them the success that they want. And as an institute, we are very fortunate and happy to be part of any of our students' success. That's what is the biggest motivation for us than anything else.
Fantastic. So in your entire career, I think you must have seen many toppers. So if you compare our Sanketh with the other toppers, what is that one quality that you really admire?
Consistency is definitely the main key for his success, because usually there will be ups and downs in any exam. So people, whoever is consistent in their efforts, they will be able to build it up. And people who are believing in the teachers, that is the biggest quality, because usually after certain point, with the temperament of the age and the exposure of the multiple contents, usually people take multiple tracks. The best thing that I keep hearing about Sanketh is his belief in the teachers. Consistently he is believing in whatever teachers he is saying and blindly following it and improvising on it. And whenever he is getting stuck, he is going back to the zero, that is going back to the same teacher and asking. So following one single dedicated direction with 100% belief is his speciality and his secret of success, is what I believe.
So coming to the faculty, so what kind of faculty you prefer in your college institution?
So this is a generation where faculty is not sufficient. We need mentors. So anybody who can teach is a teacher, but beyond teaching, if people can mentor, they can only produce toppers. So we are very fortunate. The team of teachers who worked with him worked as a more than teacher. They worked as a mentors. They owned it up like their own children, and they guided and handled all the temperaments, and also worked on their mistakes, worked on his mistakes. And not just him, all the other students of all the batches also. We believe in the culture of mentoring. So because at that age what they need is mentoring along with the subject. So that is what is actually helping the students realize their true potential.
And when we spoke to the other faculty, they were talking about the study material. So the topper itself, he was saying that the study material was most toughest than the JEE paper. So what is the concept that you have created that it is more tougher than the JEE paper?
So the fundamental philosophy of JEE Advanced is expect the unexpected. So you need to prepare for the student for the unexpected things always. So study material is a guidance or a fundamental tool that is given to the children. But how that study material is handled, explored by students with the help of teachers, is what actually going to define the success of a student. The same study material is given to every student, but every student handles it in a different way under the guidance of the same teachers. So the one who actually absorbs the DNA of the study material, who utilizes it, usually emerges as a topper like this. That's the beauty of the study material.
Fantastic, sir. So before we can close, if you had to say something about resonance, what would that be?
Every institute has their own uniqueness, their own strengths and weaknesses. So coming to us, our strength is teamwork. So we as a team believe that okay, the complete teamwork is going to produce the results. So when we say team involves 3 people. That is our team internally, the set of teachers, mentors, whatever we have. Then the second team member in the team is parents, and the third most important is student. So we 3 should work together, then only any student success is possible. We 3 should believe in each other, then only anything is possible.
Fantastic. So when we talk about support, so what do you think about the parent support? How it should play a role?
A parent can give to any children is believing in the children. So when a child is saying something that okay, I think this is correct, I want to do this, believing in a child at a very early age and believing in his capabilities and believing in his decision making, that itself is the biggest support. And especially whenever a child is going through ups and downs and guiding what is good for him, what is not good for him, how to handle his temperament and all these things, because academics, institute is there to take care, but mindset wise institute will take care, but definitely parental support is very much required. I think both of them done a great job and become an inspiration for the rest of the parents also. And I strongly believe that with this kind of approach, he will not be a person who will be working in a company in future. He should definitely think of an idea like where he will be giving a job kind of thing instead of a job doing mindset. He should definitely work towards a job giving mindset kind of thing. So because at the early age, whenever students is getting exposed to the bigger successes, that inspires them to create more, achieve more. That's how the country also develops. So country needs more and more technocrats who can create new technologies, who develop things and who make the India proud. That kind of achievement is what we are looking forward from him, and I'm sure like he will definitely make his parents proud and all of us proud.
Fantastic, sir. It was really nice talking to you, sir. Thank you so much.